Well, hey, class, how you guys doing? Hope that you guys are having a great Monday. Just want to let you know the discussion board is graded, and let me just, of course, I've been warning and telling you guys that this week would come faster than you realized, and it's here. This is week 7, and of course, your paper will be due Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. And so make sure you get in before that date. But really hope that you guys have been working hard and are doing your best and will be able to turn in a quality paper come Sunday evening. Now, a couple things just to keep in mind as you work in your paper. Listen, grammar and spelling, punctuation, proper use of capitalization, those are all, a part of putting a good paper together. Make sure you get the proper form for the title page. And also, if you do a table of contents, make sure it's right. Make sure you look up the proper form in the Turabian, or look at the School Divinity writing manual. Also, this paper will have not only footnotes, so you got to make sure you use the proper footnote form for each of the different kinds of sources. There are examples in the School of Divinity writing manual. Also, there's bibliography, and those two forms are different. So make sure you take note of the fact that footnote forms are different than bibliography forms. So, guys, I would strongly discourage you to use any type of internet source. Uh, Especially if there's any question about whether it's scholarly. I can tell you, these Wikipedia, these types of sources are not Webster's. These sources are not good sources for these types of papers. You want to use scholarly articles, monographs, any type of really work that is done by a reputable scholar. There is a document that you can read over that helps you to know exactly what that means. Also, make sure you reread all of the instructions about the paper. I know that seems elementary, but trust me, it's really important because it'll help you to understand exactly what this paper entails. A lot of students miss out because they don't do a very good introduction. They don't introduce their paper very well. They don't write a thesis statement. And a thesis statement is just simply that, tell me what you're going to set out to prove or demonstrate in this paper. And then, they really sometimes don't do a very good conclusion, summarizing what they have discovered and summarizing their conclusions based upon their research. So those are a couple things. Also, on your special topic, when you pick that one you want to go into great detail with, the instructions are pretty clear. You need to highlight in detail how that particular person, ideology, event, group, whatever the case, contributed to really, New Testament in the first century. So make sure you work hard. You're going to need, probably more than 5 sources, especially when it comes to that one particular, when your special topic, you'll probably need 2 or 3 or 4 sources that are specific to that topic to really help you flesh out really the impact that it had on the first century world. And so, I know it sounds like a lot of work, but that's just the nature of master's level work. So make sure you just do some good research, and just really put together a quality paper. Make sure you take note of the page requirements for the paper. I know that a lot of students, they think once they get to 7, that's the magic number. That's not true. You have to have 7 full pages, okay? 7 full pages. And make sure your headings are properly done. Make sure as well that your spacing, margins and spaces are good as well. But you guys I've seen great improvement. Some of you are doing some fantastic work. Some of you are showing just tremendous improvement week to week, and so that's really great. Keep on working hard. And again, if you have any questions about the paper, if you have any, if you need any help, just simply shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Well, I hope you guys have a great week. Study hard, write. I would, try to write it and have someone else proofread it for you to make sure that you get all that stuff right. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great week.